getting my ground ready for my bed. These are gonna go in, loosening it up so he can level it out. He's not. Oliver, come on, baby. Boy wants to get on that tractor so bad. Come here, baby. Watch out of Dad's way. That boy had to climb up on there as soon as Dad got down. That boy loves the tractor. What'd you think, Boo? Oh, Dad unhooked your horn, didn't he? Yeah. Maybe after Dad gets done working in the yard. He's got to get his work done first. Maybe before dark, okay? Hey. Hey. I love you.
I love you too.
You love me too? Mwah. You're something sweet. Well, we got a little bit done. This storm is blowing in like super hard. Insert a picture of what the weather says is supposed to be. We moved a little bit of dirt out here, but then we decided our fence is not strong enough. It's bowing a little more, so we decided to put a post in every 4 feet instead of every 8. What, baby?
Can we have a nature walk?
A nature walk? Do you see that storm coming? Look at that sky right there.
Where?
You don't see all them dark clouds up there? It's blowing in super fast.
But the clouds are blowing wind.
Yeah, the wind's blowing hard. See them wind? Look at them trees up there. You see them blowing?
Because the wind's moving them.
Sure is. It was all dark all the way far as you could see. Now there's a few little light patches. Looking at the map, it looks like it was supposed to be here about somewhere around 6:30ish, 7. And I think right now it's about 6:08, 6:10. So it'll be here soon. I thought I'd show you all these buds real quick while I'm thinking about it. Sister, stay out of the road, baby. I'll show you that one too. Scooch over, baby. Yes, ma'am.
Growing.
They are.
This one grew. Yeah.
There's tons and tons and tons of You're silly.
I was holding on to your dress.
Let go of my dress, please.
I don't want the wind to blow your skirt.
It's alright. It's super long. It won't hurt anything.
I was wearing this red dress.
Yes, you are. Alright. That other blackberry that's up front's got a bunch on it too. Gonna have a good harvest of blackberries this year. Raindrop. Oh, I felt 2 raindrops. All right, time to go in the house. Come on, Boo. That thing's a rockin'. Fixin' to have to close her down. Looks like we're gonna have to put down some more hooks to hold her down.